Exporting your video in Davinci Resolve 18 is a breeze, and in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to export videos in Davinci Resolve. So here the first step to follow. Open your project and navigate to the deliver page. Select choose the part of the video you want to render. You can use the in and out point to select a specific section. You can also select a preset from the list such as YouTube, Vimeo or custom. You can also customize your settings by choosing the format, which is the codec, resolution and the frame rate of the video. After that, you can also name your file and choose the destination folder where you want to save the exported video. You can also click on add to render queue to add your videos to the queue. You can also click on start render to begin the export process. Your video will be rendered and saved to the specific location, which is the destination of your file, where you want all your file from Davinci Resolve to be stored to or to be saved to, which is the specific location on your local or your hard disk or hard drive. And that's it. If you find this video, put on the notification bell and follow for more.